Hello, the students of class plus 1. In the last video, I told you about the addition of vectors. But in that video, I told you that how the vectors can be added geometrically. It's not possible for us that we can always add vectors geometrically just by measuring and then by drawing and then finding the resultant. So that's why there is a need for the formula just by putting the values and we can find the resultant. So that's why first law for the addition of the vectors, that is triangular law of vector addition. So if there is a body and these two vectors are acting on the body, and these two vectors, they are represented by two sides of the triangle in same order. This is vector and that is represented by this side. This is another vector that is represented by this side. तो third side जो triangle की है taken in opposite order. Why we are saying opposite order? Because one is in this order, other is in this order. तो अगर हम same order लेते तो ये Q से O जाता. But we are taking in O to Q. That will represent the resultant of these two vectors. And this is the triangular law that the two vectors are acting on the body simultaneously at the same time. They are represented by two sides of the triangle in same order. The third side taken in opposite order will represent the resultant of these two vectors. This is the triangular law for the vector addition. Now, if vector OP is equal to vector A and vector PQ is equal to vector B, the vector OQ is resultant of these two and this is equal to vector A plus vector B. So we have to find R in terms of A and B. And these vector A and vector B, they are at angle theta. And so theta is the angle between these two vectors. तो वेक्टर्स के बीच में एंगल कभी भी दो हेड के बीच में नहीं होता. तो डैट इज़ एक हेड और यहाँ से अगर हम टेल ड्रॉ करेंगे तो दिस इज़ द वेक्टर्स. ये एंगल बिटवीन द वेक्टर्स, बिकॉज अगर हम इस वेक्टर को एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो डैट विल गो इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड दिस वेक्टर इज ऑलरेडी इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन. तो दिस इज़ द एंगल बिटवीन दीज टू वेक्टर्स. अब वेक्टर ओ पी आपका वेक्टर ए है तो वट इज़ ओ पी ओनली? लेंथ कितनी है? डेट इज़ ए. दिस इज़ द मैग्नीट्यूड. वट इज़ ओ क्यू? ओ क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी एंड दिस इज ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड. वट इज़ ओ क्यू? दिस इज पी क्यू सॉरी एंड दिस इज ओ क्यू. ओ क्यू इज इक्वल टू आर. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड, मीन्स आर पर्पस इज टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वेक्टर आर in terms of A, B and theta, because resultant will also depend upon at what angle these two vectors are inclined. Now from Q we draw a perpendicular by extending this vector A. So it will meet at the point N. Now in this triangle we will see in the triangle PQN this angle is of theta and ये side, इस side की length कितनी है? B. तो Pn upon PQ is equal to cos theta, but firstly we will take Qn upon PQ that's equal to sin theta, because ये थीटा के लिए ये perpendicular है और ये hypotenuse है. तो in this way Qn किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? Qn is equal to PQ sin theta. What is PQ? This is B. Its length is B sin theta. And in the triangle PQN, Pn upon PQ and that is equal to cos theta. और Pn किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा? PQ cos theta, that is B cos theta. Means this is B cos theta and this is B sin theta. Our purpose is to find the value of R. इस ट्राइंगल में देखिए, ये ट्राइंगल आपका कैसा है? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. By Pythagoras theorem, what is OQ? OQ is equal to ON square plus QN square. What is OQ? That is R. And what is ON? ON की वैल्यू कितनी है? OP plus PN. This is A plus B cos theta. And what is Qn? B sin theta, its whole square. By solving it by squaring this a plus b cos theta and squaring this, and after that b square cos square theta और b square sin square theta को अगर हम combine करें तो it will become b square and its value is r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And this is the magnitude for the resultant. But vectors will be complete when there is a direction also. At what direction the resultant is inclined? Let us suppose this resultant is inclined at angle alpha with the vector r. So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is Qn upon On. This is Qn. What is Qn? B sin theta upon a plus b cos theta. In this way we can find the direction of resultant. Now we will see how the different cases what we have taken in the geometrical way are also verified by this law, that is triangular law. The case first was there when both the vectors are acting in same direction. Same direction में है तो theta is equal to 0. Put the value theta is equal to 0, so we get r is equal to a plus b. So this was the case in the geometrical method also. The same case we have found in the triangular law also. Second case क्या था? If theta is 180. Theta is 180 means both the vectors are in opposite direction. तो cos 180 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? -1. In this way we get a minus b or b minus a. Whatever is greater, and that will be, from that the shorter will be subtracted. And if both the vectors are at 90 degree, then theta is equal to 90. तो cos 90 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 0. तो in this way r is equal to under root a square plus b square. And tan alpha अगर हम डायरेक्शन भी निकालना चाहें, that's equal to b upon a. So these are the rules for the vector addition and triangular law of vector addition. In the next video we will study the another rule, that is parallelogram law of the vector addition. Thank you.